Take command of the road in the 2015 Nissan Murano. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and power front seats. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Call now to schedule a test drive.